Are you a software engineer wondering if you should become an AI engineer? And more importantly, if you can do this without quitting your current job? The simple answer is yes. And let me tell you how. Hi, my name is Nidhi Sharma. I'm a head of engineering leading an AI innovation team. So let's first understand the difference between a software engineer and AI engineer. As a software engineer, you build business applications. You use programming language to write code, APIs, microservices, databases, and some integration mechanism. The success of a software engineer is measured on the basis of once these solutions are deployed on the production and they are actually adding some business value. So you need to ensure that these solutions are scalable, reliable, and secure. So what does an AI engineer do differently? An AI engineer is also building software systems, but these systems are probabilistic, meaning the output is not always same. An AI engineer not just write code, but also implement the data, model, prompts, evals, and feedback loops. The success here is measured on the basis of if the model is useful, if the model is improving over time, if the model is solving and adding a business impact, and if there are guardrails and proper monitoring and quality measured on production. And there is a misconception about AI engineers that they just work on fine tuning or training a model and they just solve the advanced mathematical problems. But that's not true. An AI engineer is mostly working and solving problems for the existing business cases. They are building solutions on top of existing tech landscape, meaning they are integrating a model with existing core business APIs, or they are fine tuning a model by using an open source or a licensed product. If you are a software engineer thinking of switching your career as an AI engineer, you are not late. You are actually well positioned. AI engineering is a software evolution. It's here to evolve and it's here to make current software engineer better. It's not here to replace anything. The best AI engineers I know were the best software engineer at some point of time. So if you want to have a step-by-step plan to become an AI engineer, I'll share that in my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.